Hi, I'm Allie Reynolds with Allie's Organics, and today we're going to show you how to protect plants, for those of you who are eager to get them in early, from frost damage. There's several choices that we can have. This is just a dome and it will protect it, but it's fairly lightweight, so when we put it on there, we're just going to want to secure it with some earth staples. So we'll just simply put that earth staple through this, put it in a couple of spots on there, and that'll hold it with the wind. This one has a little spot that you can turn the top to let some air flow. At nighttime you want to make sure that that's closed so that you don't get the frost damage on that. You can also use wall of waters, where it's a wall that goes around your tomato plant, and you fill it up with water, and that water insulates it. But if you're going to get really cold, then I would put something over the top of it. Some other choices is you can use some wire hoops and just create basically a tunnel. And then we can just use some frost blanket to go over the top. This will help it from frost. This one's actually a lightweight. If you plan on having something, if it's going to be colder, you're going to want to use a heavy-duty frost blanket. You can just secure it with some clips, run a earth staple through it, stick it in the ground, put that all the way around your plant. These can be long tunnels. You can leave this on during the day because it'll let sunlight in, but if you're going for a heavier frost blanket, you'll want to remove it during the day when it's warm so that it can have some sunshine hit the plants. If you didn't have any of this stuff, you could use something just as simple as a bucket just to put over the top. Just remember to remove it in the morning. There's a few ideas to help you protect your plants from frost damage.